You may have considered ways to make money online if you're looking for a side business or a fresh idea. Making money online when you know what you're doing is fairly simple. You can work on it full or part-time from the comfort of your own home. So in this video, we will show you how to earn money by just clicking. Stay tuned to the video till the end, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe for more videos. First, we want you to go to cpalid.com to start, where you can engage in CPA marketing. Click the Sign Up button at the top of the page to create an account first. You only need to enter your first and last name, email address, password, and a very basic security question here. You can choose your question and only need to enter an answer to validate your account in the event that you forget your password and need to regain access to your account. If you have a Facebook or Google account, you can do this with just one click. Alternatively, you can scroll down and enter your email address. Then, check your inbox for a message requesting that you confirm your email address in order to join cpalid.com. In order to activate your account, all you need to do is click on this link down below after you've verified your email address. Your dashboard should appear something like this when you log into your brand new account. Therefore, the first thing I want you to do is click on the website's offers. As you can see, clicking on this will direct you to a page with a number of offers that you can promote in order to earn money online. Simply direct them to a page created especially for you by this website, or ask them to complete a survey. If they correctly complete the simple service, you will be paid as soon as the information is entered on that page. This makes learning the technique really easy. Since you won't need to sell anything, you will earn money whenever someone takes a survey or clicks on your link. As a result, as you can see, Filters offer now, I'll give you a very simple illustration of how you could start utilizing this website for CPE marketing. Once more, don't be concerned, this is a global opportunity. You also have the choice of choosing surveys or email submissions under offer types. One of the easiest CPA offers is sharing a straightforward link with others. When visitors to the website click on your link, fill out a survey, or submit a form, you can continuously make money. To view the offers on this website in order of highest to lowest earning potential, click the payout option now. People who click on your affiliate link after you share it will visit the offer's official website. You can earn up to $2 to $4 when they complete the survey. Fill out the form, click the Submit button, and enter their email address. It is that simple. This is the strength of CPA marketing. You don't need to build a website, make any sales, or sell anything. Simply directing others to the website is all that is required. The website will persuade them to provide information once they visit, and after they correctly carry out that action, you can earn $1.50 when people complete this offer and provide the service by sharing the URL found above. This website is also being used by a lot of Americans to talk about where they can find information on how to make money online. Therefore, you should share and advertise your affiliate link on this website. You can earn up to $2, $4, or even more when users click on your link to go to the page, complete the surveys, and submit their information, depending on the offers they choose to use. All they have to do is complete the survey, and you don't even need to sell anything to make real money. Let me now give you a brief illustration of how other people are navigating this process. It's a pretty ingenious tactic that is also completely accessible to beginners. The template I'm about to give you is even more beneficial because it has already been completed for you to share on Trinary.com. I'm going to give you the first and second forum posts so you can copy and paste them to start making money. This Done For You template can be used to advertise any offers you want on this website. And by doing so, you can continue to make money. Let's examine the first forum post then. If you want to take simple surveys and earn $100 to $200 per day, I have an awesome recommendation for you. It's a very solid, trustworthy website that consistently pays. You can therefore obtain limitless service there. $2 for each service rendered and a daily payout. I'll also enter your email address and send you more details shortly. Thanks to the fact that you didn't immediately leave your link, this post is fairly effective. On some websites, you can't do that. And by doing this, you'll be able to draw in a lot of people who are curious about this offer. You can tell that people are showing interest. Therefore, you can reach out to them right away, start a conversation, and share this link with them in a private message. That is a deceptive method of passing along your link. Let's move on to the second forum post, where you can leave your link right away. I'll say something along these lines. Looking to take surveys online to make extra money? This website provides numerous earning opportunities, and for each survey you complete, you'll receive $2. Here's how to get started. Sign up by clicking the link below. You should insert your CPA affiliate link here. To finish the survey, all you have to do is go back to CPA Lead, copy your affiliate link, and then come back here and paste it onto this post's step number. You can leave your link for the second template right away so that users can click on it after completing the form for service information. You can also make $2, $4, or more. The two templates I just gave you are thus. You can leave your link for the second template right away so that users can click on it after completing the form for service information. You can also make $2, $4, or more. The two templates I just gave you are thus. That was all for today's video. Tell us your views in the comment section. Also, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video. And if you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. We'll see you soon in the next video.